A fierce showdown is unfolding between President Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga as they battle for control of the ruling party ZANU-PF during its annual conference, which kicked off Wednesday in Bulawayo. Sanabela masukano mudanyoka panapa tiona kuti ava vanhu vari kuti kune showdown izvezvi. Yes, mungangoona kune runyararo zvako asi kune mzimu vari kuti anzi aiwa kuri kupisa. Sanabela masukano mudanyoka panapa not about subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda pazimu anyora vachiti tensions have reached a boiling point after two senior party officials openly rebuked Chiwenga, making it clear there was no vacancy in the highest office of the land. Among them, Justice Minister Ziyambi, a close Mnangagwa ally, sought to dismiss the media's focus on Mnangagwa and Chiwenga's rivalry, accusing reporters of fabricating divisions. Muswere dismissed any rumors of discord as overzealous, misdirected energies over half-wits on social media, trying to undermine the party's unity. However, Mnangagwa's allies have recently stepped up their endorsements, with a local government minister, Daniel Garu, publicly backing Mnangagwa to continue to rule. Garu praised the president's Vision 2030 agenda as guided by God and cautioned that any attempt to displace Mnangagwa would be fatal. Thomas Kanuda Panapanyogwa, Wakomana Tiona Put Iowa, Wakomana Maki aids Mkamiri Wenika, Avarka Chimira Nai, Avachina against our General Chiwenga, that took on with our faction at Konevan Pachena, that's not our the ruling party money division. Panapatukuna put Iowa, Wakomana, Iowa, Mano Tevera, and Wakomana, Varukuramba, the 2030 bid. Tukona Wakomana over Kuma, one of the Varu is my chips, Patukono Blastiwa, never come never play a kunim to Mamironika, Tukuna to conference of Nomira Jakanaka. To them, Afro Edimot will leave on Stropichit each. Document section made, so subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.